Hi guys, welcome to TaoLi Chinese. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's been sweeping social media and making waves in the world of wellness. Gua Sha. And there's more to it than just the trend. Get ready for today's video and we will check out the culture as explore the origins, benefits, and everything in between. Let's get started. Have you ever wondered where Gua Sha comes from? Well, Gua Sha, also known as scraping therapy, dates back thousands of years to ancient China. It was originally used as a folk remedy to alleviate discomfort, boost circulation, and help the body heal itself. So, how does it work? Traditional Gua Sha involves using a smooth-edged tool to gently scrape the skin, creating redness known as sha. This was believed to release trapped energy and toxins from the body, promoting overall well-being. It was passed down through generations as a valuable healing practice. Fast forward to today, and Gua Sha is experiencing a revival like never before. Social media has played a huge role in spreading its popularity far and wide. People are discovering its potential benefits and incorporating it into their modern wellness routines. Now, let's talk about the benefits. Beyond the beautiful red marks you see, Gua Sha is believed to increase blood flow, ease muscle tension, and promote relaxation. So, if you have painful neck or any other muscle tension, you should definitely give it a try. Lastly, as a Mandarin Chinese teacher, let me explain to you the word Gua Sha. Gua is a verb in Mandarin Chinese and it means to scrape. Sha served as a noun here, meaning the redness created by the scraping action, like this. So, Gua Sha literally means to scrape your skin or your muscle until you see the redness. Thanks for joining us today. If you found the exploration of Gua Sha fascinating, don't forget to hit that button and subscribe. Until next time, take care.